the moon, the star. Or should I say the stars? Because there's two there. I remember down in Mississippi, yes indeed, and I was there for a tour. Oh man, I just looked up at the stars and I saw all those shooting stars. Don't get me wrong, I see a star here, a star there, but that's about it. All this light pollution just takes all those stars away. You see any stars? You may see a plane, more than the stars. How does it go? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Tell me I know who you are. Oh, I had a bicyclist pass me right by, and he is the star. And many would love to capture the Milky Way with the camera. I know it's too far, too distant to catch anything from afar. See the plane? Right below it's a star. Right beside it is another plane. And they're heading towards one another. So I've been thinking, and I've been thinking real hard, and I know if I put my camera on my chest and a pendant behind my clothes, I'll be doing one of these. That's gonna make you sick. Oh, look at that. Now you're able to see the moon, the star, the sunrise, all in one. That's what just goes through my mind every time I think about it. And I'm talking about, a Go Ultra or an Osmo Nano, or just putting a camera on me. The body is always moving. So you're gonna have the super steady electronic image stabilization. And that's going to be something that you need to worry about. Were you gonna get your shots? I don't know. Yeah, my bike lane became a car lane. Car lane! As I head down, I'll check out the sunrise. Hang on to the turn. A little off-roading. And into our area. What a beautiful day. Start of the day it is. High tide. We get to see the planes go out. And the planes in the distance coming in. Sometimes it's not about the camera, but it's about what you do. But if you want to share your story, it's got to be about the camera. And nothing's wrong with having an Ultra that you put onto your chest that your loose clothing may just bring it all over the place. But the thing that gets me is if you use the Ultra, just the camera, and you got the base that you keep on, aren't you defeating having the power being used using both the internal battery of the base and the camera power? It's running wirelessly in a way, so that's why you get 70 minutes here. And how many minutes do you get here separate, keeping on? And that's a question I have to ask someone so they could tell us what it's about. But they're not about sharing that type of information. They're about sharing the story. And that's the thing that, gets me thinking. Do I want to have a camera that I could, hey, hold it, look here, or just have it over here and do what I want to do, and I could see it like I'm looking at you? I like that idea. Well, for what I do and everything, I could use the camera and show how I could work, put it into the thing, but I no longer put up 5 cameras and do all these shots and sync it up into the computer, because I'll be there for the next 3 weeks trying to figure out each of the files, how they go, and how slow my editor just lags everything. And when I go to render it, it's going to take forever. So I have one video line, does it all. If I have 2 tracks, I slow it down big time. And that's where technology is not fun with me. I have to go this way with the Mac, and all that troubles go away. Well, I'm gonna just sit right here. I'm not gonna wait for the sunrise, but it's one of those beautiful days that the color was up. I'm watching the water. And on that note, I know who I am. I'm Fish.